Hello, in this video I want to show you how to take a screenshot on a VIVO S17. And to do this, first we just need to click on the power key and the volume down key. This will take a screenshot, and then now next thing that we can do is open any app that allows us to scroll down a page, and then make sure that you're on top of the page. Click on the power key and the volume down key again, that way you make a screenshot again. Now click on the long screenshot in the pop-up and wait till it scrolls down entire page, and that way you'll make a full page screenshot. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.